The time has come to reorient ourselves, to understand what our goal is, and to embrace harmony in our lives and live a life of our choosing and our desires and our will. So I thought it'd be prudent to skip to the end. So let's go back to what our goal is. Our goal is to have a doorway into this world, one that is full of abundance, one that is full of joy and purpose, emotion, whatever it is that you find of value. You discover treasures. You reveal secrets. These are all things that provide motivation and inspiration in your life. So to be inspired is to have reverence and to have that relationship build upon that mental, air-like state, constantly moving and flowing with intensity, with reason and electricity. It's important that we discover the nature of gratitude and examine that. Examine, why is this affecting me? What is this that's happening? Why are my senses responding? And be grateful that you have any sensation at all, because this is what gives you fuel to your fire. This lets your heart beat with strength. Then, another aspect that we're doing as a goal is discovering what humility is. The difference between those that are selfish and those that are selfless is the selfish see the world as them. They are the world. The selfless sees themselves in that world, in others, sees themselves in the things, the feelings, the elements. And we get understanding from this. We are able to blend with others and see the similarities and then the differences, the purities, and those that like to accumulate different resources. And each one of these things provide a different frequency and vibration and tone and nature to it all. Like water hiding in every dark crack and hole that nobody else wants to go, but water will do it. Water will find a way. Full understanding. Magnetic, attracted to everything. And the other goal that we're doing is sincerity. And that is displayed by our behavior, by the way our body moves, by the things we consume, the things that come out of our mouth. If these words are not true, then you are not true. And that is where fear comes in. Living the lie. Evil comes because since you don't know your direction, what your body does for you, where it goes, what it's for, how it's a tool and an instrument designed perfectly in harmony with the world around it. So you cannot tell the difference between what is out there and what is in there. If it is infinite, that means you are as well. So, that is our body. That is our form. That is our substance. What do you do with it? What purpose do you give it? Do you give it dexterity of fingers on video game controllers? Do you give it the ability to run in place on a treadmill? Do you give it the ability to dunk a basketball? Do you do many things with it? Is it complex? You collect the elements and perform them in a symphony. They work for you. They are in operation for you. They act. Subscribe or like. I'd really love to hear your views. Cheers.